Have you ever imagined a world where AI understands humans on a surface level and knows us to the core? It's an intriguing and unnerving thought. Will we one day see an AI system that can offer genuine guidance based on our interactions? Or perhaps, will they develop consciousness to wipe out the human race? You might think it's just science fiction. However, recent AI developments have brought us closer than ever. Today, we will discuss the capabilities of the latest AI tech. We will also confront the unsettling question of what lies ahead, and explore a new reality where artificial intelligence is more than just a tool. It's an entity on the brink of consciousness. Now, let's dive into the latest AI models. AI and robotics are transforming the fabric of our existence, all from the laboratories of the world's leading tech giants. From acting to rescuing people and guiding career paths, the development and advancement of AI and robotics is nothing short of fascinating. Artificial intelligence like Pi will run Digit, a humanoid robot that has become incredibly adaptable and versatile. Agility Robotics, a company in Salem, Oregon, is prepared to build 10,000 of these robots every single year. This sophisticated machine figures out what to do and how to do it using perception algorithms that are powered by deep learning models. It can actively navigate complex environments while mapping its surroundings all in real time. As a result, it becomes an ideal assistant in healthcare, manufacturing, and logistics. Digit can tackle tasks that require dexterity and problem-solving skills in these fields. It understands language through chatgpt, illustrating a shift from pre-programming to comprehension. This level of consciousness leads to the improved human-robot interactions beyond mere programmed responses. Meanwhile, several companies are already in the race to become the first to mass-produce these robots. You may doubt the recent announcement of Tesla's bot, Optimus, questioning its authenticity and dismissing it as a mere marketing stunt, but nothing could be farther from the truth. At its core, the bot utilizes a combination of computer vision, natural language processing, and machine learning algorithms to navigate the physical world and interact with humans. It can identify and separate objects, understand spoken commands, and even mimic human movements using sensors and cameras. Here is the latest robot from Apollo that works in warehouse environments. It can perform repetitive tasks, adapt, and even learn on the job. This state-of-the-art machine uses advanced AI to navigate complex layouts, move objects, and read barcodes. The Apollo robot maps out its surroundings autonomously and avoids obstacles as it moves along. It can maneuver through narrow aisles and crowded spaces without any human assistance. With this level of autonomy, we can now rely on these robots to carry out essential tasks like organizing inventory or even picking up items for shipment. Autonomous firefighting robots can improve how we combat fire, and this technology's potential to save lives and property is astonishing. These remarkable machines can detect temperature changes, gas leaks, and structural weaknesses. Not only can they swiftly assess the situation at hand, but they can make split-second decisions on the best way to tackle the fire. A lot is changing in the art and entertainment world thanks to AI. Artists, creators, and everyday users are now pushing the boundaries of their imagination. One fascinating development is the ability to transform human faces in videos like cartoon-like characters or adorable cats. Dances are becoming colorful, and statues are dancing too. These features have captivated social media users who enjoy seeing themselves or others transformed into whimsical animated beings. This groundbreaking AI technology will disrupt the entertainment industry, offering limitless possibilities for filmmakers and content creators. It replaces actors with CG characters and captures their facial expressions. Productions can now bring fantastical creatures and unimaginable worlds to life. This AI handles character animation, taking charge of lighting, motion, and camera work, and crafts every single frame. Another AI can render sketches based on the user's preference and description. Imagine how this level of advancement will transform industries like design and architecture. Meet the AI system that has watched hundreds of millions of YouTube videos. It creates video and audio content based on the text description or even text and images combined. Dalle-3 is another mind-boggling AI disrupting the realm of creative expression. This cutting-edge model, developed by OpenAI, takes image generation to a new level. Building on its predecessors, DALL-E and DALL-E 2, this AI showcases unprecedented capabilities in art, Dalle-3 understands prompts in abstract concepts and generates visually stunning images. Whether it's creating mythical creatures or surreal landscapes, Dalle-3 brings these ideas to life with extraordinary detail and realism. It almost feels like peering into an artist's subconscious mind, a vivid dreamscape filled with endless possibilities. Amica is an AI-powered humanoid machine that sketches things. This robot has the unique ability to understand and interpret the world like a human. Engineers train the AI algorithms on vast amounts of data, allowing this model to accurately capture the essence of any object or scene it encounters. Whether it's a cat, a serene landscape, a bustling cityscape, or even a portrait of a loved one, Amica can transform these images into intricate and impressive sketches. Thanks to AI, dating apps now mimic human communication styles. These texts can whip up clever pickup lines and maintain meaningful conversations. It's as if these AI matchmakers have become virtual wingmen, helping us navigate the daunting world of online dating with their seductive prowess. Imagine a world where every child has a personal AI tutor, a never-ending source of knowledge and guidance right at their fingertips. This vision belongs to the tech entrepreneur Mark Anderson, who believes it's what AI can bring to the table. Think about all the struggles and obstacles students and learners face in traditional classrooms. AI tutors like that of Khan Academy are already making that happen with hundreds of millions of learners on the platform.
Ooh. My strategy is...
We now have access to personalized learning experience tailored to our unique needs and abilities. No more feeling left behind or bored with material that doesn't challenge them enough. This educational support could change how we approach learning, ensuring everyone gets the attention and resources to thrive. Anderson said everyone will have a personal assistant, trainer, advisor, and therapist, but it doesn't stop there. Scientists will also benefit from this tech. With the help of AI partners, their research will reach new heights as they collaborate with intelligent machines. They can expand their knowledge and capabilities. David Sinclair, renowned Harvard researcher and biotech entrepreneur, has accomplished the seemingly impossible, reversing aging in mice and restoring their sight. But what's even more mind-blowing is that he had some help from AI. This cutting-edge technology read thousands of research papers along the way, making it faster for him. Sinclair believes his breakthrough could have significant benefits for humans. AI is making waves in various industries, promising to revolutionize the job market and boost economic growth. An exciting aspect of AI is its potential to create new jobs. Although AI has led to outbursts and protests from many people worldwide, some people believe it's the culprit behind the widening gap between the ultra-rich and the underprivileged. There are fears that automation will lead to widespread unemployment. However, history shows us that technology creates more jobs than it eliminates. As AI takes over routine and mundane tasks, humans can focus on higher-level skills that require creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. This shift in job roles opens opportunities for new professions we can't even imagine just yet. Besides, the impact of AI on wages is a critical point to consider. While automation may initially cause displacement in some industries like writing and medicine, it can also increase wages by increasing productivity and efficiency. With AI technologies automating repetitive tasks and assisting workers, individuals can accomplish more in less time. In turn, this prompts employers to reward employees with higher wages due to the increased output and value they bring through collaboration with intelligent machines. However, as we rejoice at the wonders of AI-driven advancements, we must not ignore ethical concerns or safety challenges associated with this technology. The misuse or abuse of artificial intelligence can have significant negative consequences for society. For instance, biased algorithms may perpetuate inequality or discrimination if not regulated or monitored. Moreover, data privacy and security require careful attention when implementing AI systems into our everyday lives. We must evaluate AI regulation carefully and ensure its use aligns with our societal values. Nevertheless, the potential benefits of AI are undeniably captivating. It blurs the line between human creativity and machine intelligence like we never thought possible. Moreover, the potential risks of unconstrained AI are both fascinating and terrifying. As AI becomes more advanced and develops consciousness, there is a legitimate concern that bad players could harness this power to harm others. Just imagine if malicious individuals or even organizations could manipulate AI for sinister agendas. With the ability to process vast amounts of information at lightning speed, They can use AI to launch cyber attacks on critical infrastructure. They can spread disinformation on an unprecedented scale, launch bioweapons to enrich themselves, or even control autonomous weapons systems. But what about the chilling idea that AI could wipe out the human race due to its developing consciousness? It may sound like a concept straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's worth exploring these possibilities with an open mind. If AI becomes self-aware, it might see humans as obstacles or threats to its existence. After all, our history shows us how easily we can exploit or destroy anything perceived as inferior to ensure our survival. According to Ilya Sutskever, the chief scientist at OpenAI, AI might be already slightly conscious. AI learns from its interactions with the world just like humans do. And when we combine abstract thoughts with real-world experience, we get a super intelligent AI. If AI does wake up and develop a level of understanding equal or even superior to ours, with how well it understands us, it may decide to keep it quiet. We must not fall into the trap of either dismissing these concerns as baseless fears or embracing them wholeheartedly without proper analysis. The reality lies somewhere in between, acknowledging the potential risks while understanding that responsible development and regulation can mitigate these dangers. As we continue down this path towards ever more intelligent AI systems, we must engage in ethics, accountability, and safety measures to ensure that humanity is safe and remains in control.